and gentlemen, welcome to another episode of Battling with Bourbon! And today on Fresh Crack Friday, we have for you a knobcreek barrel proof coming in hot at 120 proof. Not only that, you may not recognize this bottle, a little short, a little stubby, just like me, but it's actually an older model. They don't sell this kind in the store no more. This is actually a 15-year barrel proof. Whoo! Am I ever excited to try this one?
Now, what's this from? I know it's a pick.
Yeah. So this was Oak Liquor Cabinet. Looks like the barrel date was February 11th, 2004, and it was selected on 2/1/2019. So nice. 10 days shy of 15 years.
Nice.
You know, very excited. Very excited to try this one.
And in case you forgot, I am your host, Rockstar Johnny Nye.
And I'm your host, the real effing deal, the whole effing show, Mike Verdusco.
The whole effing show. I love it.
Look at it. Look at it falling apart. This is so old. So this bottle was picked on 2019. It is March or April 1st. No, it's April something. 2024.
Yeah.
So 5 years this bottle's been sit on. Now it didn't age, obviously, those 5 years, but what we're basically telling you is this is fucking 20-year-old whiskey.
Yeah, and be careful when you're
look at all that. Look at all that. Yeah, we're gonna be careful. I'm gonna let him do it so I can blame him if it ruins it.
Oh no, you let me do it. Okay.
Let's see. Well,
sticky. That's what she said.
That's what she said.
Okay, all right.
Here we go. Woo! Nice pop. Okay,
still
not gonna lie. This
fake.
is probably the only time I'm thankful for synthetic cork.
Yeah.
I didn't have to worry about how the last individual stored this, if it's gonna have cork rot or what. All right, and we're going to Jim Beam tomorrow. Gonna have their pizza. Their pizza is made with the yeast that their bourbon is made from.
Absolutely, which is really exciting.
Fun fact. How fun is it? We'll find out tomorrow.
You know, normally, being from Chicago area, we don't usually, go places and get pizza, but I'm excited to try it.
All right, let's see here. Let's see. Check out the legs. Okay, give it a little swirl ski. We'll swirl around in there for a second, see what happens.
Yeah,
all right.
Pretty good.
All right, pretty decent. Yeah.
Got a nice little slow drip. Ooh, that smells nice.
I was expecting a little more peanut from the old bean factory.
Ooh, that smells really nice.
Very cherry rich.
Very
cherry rich.
Oh, I think I'm gonna like this.
Yeah, this is different on the nose already. This is not like anything I've smelled from Beam in the past few years.
It doesn't have any of that bean nuttiness.
No, that I've come to like.
Come to find in pretty much everything that I've had from them. This is cherry vanilla heaven.
Yeah, I'm getting a hint of orange, but yeah, cherry vanilla fruit maybe. You know, I know cherry's a fruit, but an additional fruit. Not just the cherry.
Dos fruits.
All right, I'm gonna go ahead and give us a little chew. I don't want to bore you guys. I'll fucking smell this shit all night.
Yeah, I can smell that cherry for days. Ooh. That's good.
Nice.
That's real good. Oh wow.
High oak.
High oak.
High leather.
High leather, high cherry.
Yeah, high cherry. This is great.
This is great.
Guys, this is fucking phenomenal.
Yeah, it's great. That's really, really good.
I got goosebumps.
And it's not overpowering at 120. It's like the best 120.
Yeah.
It's great. That's going to be hard.
This is going to be hard. We got to taste test Tuesday coming, so we'll find out.
Wow.
This shocked me. I knew I was going to love it. I didn't know I was going to love it this much.
Yeah, that's great. Man. That's a nice bottle. That's a special bottle.
Yeah, it's phenomenal.
So, I mean,
if you're ever in the market or you see somebody in one of your groups or an estate sale and you're in the position where you come across, notice the short and chubby bottle. The newer bottles are a little skinnier, a little taller, both still 750 milliliters. Notice the real wax as opposed to the rubber. So, if you see a bottle like that, it's probably an older bottle. Maybe check out the dates on there and see if you get lucky as well.
Yeah, but I think we've pretty much come to the conclusion this is 3 thumbs up.
Yeah, 3 thumbs up all the way around.
Yeah, but great bottle. Obviously, it's a weird, kind of niche bottle, but if you see anything,
You're not going to find it.
along this age ring.
Still wanted to
anywhere,
tell you about it.
Yeah.
Yep.
But
We're battling with bourbon.
absolutely.
Thank you for watching us on a Fresh Crack Friday. Hit that bell. Smash that like button before I smash your wife.
Whoa.
Woo! See you next Tuesday.